The city of Reading is one step closer to adopting a new riverfront specific plan that could bring major changes to both the north and south areas along the Sacramento River. City leaders reviewed an updated version of the plan during the meeting they held tonight, and Action News Now reporter Jesse Angelo was there and shows us what happens next.
The last time the riverfront plan was brought before City Council was back in May. At that point, the council expressed major concerns with the plan. On Tuesday, Development Director Jeremy Pagan addressed those concerns. The updated presentation laid out a wide range of ideas for the riverfront, including new public spaces, transportation improvements, mixed-use areas, and possible changes to civic venues. City staff also showed refined designs based on months of public feedback, workshops, and discussions with property owners in both the north and south riverfront areas. Council members said they wanted a more complete picture of what the next 10 to 20 years could look like if the project continues to move forward.
That specific plan for our downtown has grown into what we're seeing with the Reading Public Market, the private investment downtown, the businesses coming to downtown. So we're hopeful that with a specific plan for our riverfront, a revitalized and updated specific plan, the next 10 to 20 years, we're going to see a lot of great things happen on the river.
After the presentation, the council voted unanimously to accept the report and direct staff to begin work on a final version of the plan. Community members who attended the meeting say there are still areas of desperate need of attention, particularly along the southern riverfront.
It needs it. Park Marina needs a huge amount of work. Park Marina is where a lot of revenue could be generated if they give full attention on Park Marina and make that a destination point. Improve civic, improve the rodeo grounds.
The city says many of these ideas will be reviewed more closely during the drafting process. Staff will continue to meet with residents, business owners, and community groups to gather feedback as the plan takes shape. Staff will now be drafting a final plan and conducting environmental impact studies, and will bring it back to the council for approval, likely in spring of 2026. In Reading, Jesse Angelo, Action News Now.
Pagan and the city say they are still seeking public comment on the proposed riverfront project as they move into the final planning stages.